So hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are going to see how we can integrate the Mantine with our Next.js project. So I'm using the Mantine, which is a CSS library for to write CSS codes, and it also gives you pre-built components. Like you can see, it has different components with the help of which you can create beautiful tabs. You can create beautiful buttons. You can create beautiful navigation links. So all the things it is there in the Mantine, and today we are going to see how we can integrate that with the help of Next.js. So first, let's just create a Next.js project from the scratch, and we'll take the simple method of Next.js. So this is for the beginners. It is very beginner friendly. So people who are learning Next, or who are trying to start their journey with the Next.js. So I guess Mentine is a good CSS framework to go with. So you guys can try it out. I'll also show you how you can integrate this in your project. So let's just quickly open the terminal, and over here in the terminal what you have to do is terminal is here. Now we have the npx create react app latest. So now if you want to create the project in the same directory, what you have to do is just put a dot over here, and we have put in a dot over here. Now it is asking you to whether to proceed or not. So basically you have to click y and then yes. Now it will ask you some few more questions, whether do you want TypeScript or not. So I don't want TypeScript. If you want, you can use click on yes. So I don't want the TypeScript. ESLint, I don't want it. Tailwind, yes, I do want Tailwind. I mean, if you get the Tailwind CSS as well, the Next has pre-built Tailwind in itself, so it gives you option to have Tailwind or not. So I'll go with this. SRC directory, no need. App router, yes, and then turbo pack, I don't need the turbo pack, and import alias, no. So it will, as you can see, our basic Next app configuration or the project has been initiated. So I'll quickly go to the next new terminal, and over here I will simply start our next. So as you can see, our next application has been rendered. So I have removed the code from here. Now I'll just simply write hello over here, and let's see if it get renders on the website or not. So it is re-rendering. I think I have to save the changes, and it is loading. So we have the hello over here, and now let's say if we want to use the maintain component, so let's use the maintain over here. So I'll simply write button over here, and if you press control and space, it will give you the recommendation for using the maintain core in the button. So I'll use the maintain core, and here I will simply write whether is sorry this is maintain button. Okay, so I'll show you guys the maintain. So as you can see, we have this button over here. So you can ignore the warnings over here, because this was a maintain warning, but you don't need to look into that because it is not much of a problem. So we have this maintain button over here, and if we'll inspect to this element, as you can see, if we'll inspect to this element, you can see this button is our maintain button over here. So we can use different variants in our maintain button. As you can see, if we do a variant over here. Okay, so if we want some variant, so there are different variants present. So let's say there's default, filled, gradient. It all comes inbuilt with the maintain. So you can simply use them. So let's just say I want the outline one only. So let's see how does this one look. Okay, so you can see this is the outline button of the maintain. So you can simply use this in your project. So you can simply use the maintain in your project. So this was it. This was how you can integrate the maintain in your project and in your current code. So I guess this was it for today's video, and I hope you guys like the video, and do like to share and subscribe the channel. Make sure you like the like button, and we'll see you in the next video. If anybody has any problem related to this video, do comment in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, tata, bye.